Hello everyone, today is the first episode of YouTube Studio Upgrade video series. So let's go to the video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
First of all, let's unbox this package. This is the quality and smart backpack comes with this package. Now let's go to our main product. Here are the details about our laptop. This is our super and smart laptop.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Here are the paperwork comes with this package.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go.
This is the charger to our laptop.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Here is the cable to connect the charger to the main power. Now let's go to the laptop. Here is our super cool laptop.
I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
This laptop comes with an 8GB RAM. But for future activities, let's upgrade this 8GB RAM to 16GB.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Here the video plays in normal speed to take a rough idea about the time taken to start the laptop.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Here are the specifications of this laptop. You can see the pretty cool keyboard included in this laptop. You can't change the color of the keyboard, but you can adjust the brightness using 3 levels.
Thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Here we can see a 720p webcam. It has a super slim physical appearance. Here are the ports in the right side of the laptop.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on.
We can see a HDMI port in the back side. These are the ports in the left side. So, until next video, stay safe, stay subscribed.